In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you turn around your state of mind. कभी हुआ है आपके साथ में जब आप completely messed up हो और एक के बाद एक चीजें गड़बड़ होती चली जाती हैं और आपको लगता है ये सब कुछ क्या मेरे अगेंस्ट ही हो रहा है? You get worked up, you feel overwhelmed. Happens? Then stay on. Let's understand why this happens and what can we do. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is new content here every day. So, talking about this scenario, I faced it just a few days back and I was laughing, the way things turned out. I had to drop my daughter to her ballet class. She woke up last minute and I was running around. My husband had to go somewhere. I had my meetings lined up. I was like, they take me for granted. What's going on? Kind of a mess. Finally, we left. We were late. And then going a little ahead, I realized I left my phone at home, came back, took the phone, missed the way thrice, had the Google map on, still couldn't find the ballet class where I've dropped her several times before. And I was literally laughing that just because I had a certain state of mind, that was the reality. That mess was out there manifesting in the reality itself. So, if you want to turn that around because you don't feel your best, you feel disempowered when something like this is happening, तो अगर उसको बदलना है उस moment में क्या किया जाए? So I'm going to share my experience with you. सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं कि ये होता क्यों है. जो भी state of mind है वो कहाँ से आ रही है? वो आ रही है कि जो भी मेरी लाइफ में उस वक्त हो रहा है, whether it's that person, whether it's an event, a situation, how am I representing it to myself? अगर मैं ये बोल रही हूँ ये सब बकवास है, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, मेरे लिए तो कभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता है, मैं हूँ ही अनलकी, this people take me for granted like I was doing, they're all taking me for granted, तो मेरी state of mind वैसी ही होगी. तो उस पूरी सिनेरियो को मैं अपने आप को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ? That's number one, right? Now in that moment, can I just pause and represent it in a different manner? Yeah? क्या मैं अपने आप को बोलना चाहती हूँ that okay, I have all these meetings lined up, so let me quickly get this done. I'll drop Kavya there, my daughter. I'm going to drop her to the ballet class and then I'm going to sit in the cafe, read my book with that hot chocolate. That could have been one representation. Oh, okay, she's gotten late, but okay, let's quickly get her up, get her ready and see. Only if I can represent the whole thing to myself differently can I turn around my state of mind. अगर ये representation होता कि अच्छा मुझे अभी वो कैफे में बैठना है, that's going to be me time, मैं अपनी बुक पढ़ने वाली हूँ and it's just going to be like a peaceful thing and then I'm going to go to attend my meeting that I'm so looking forward to and wow, it's going to be a productive day. So let's just quickly get this done. तो क्या लगता है मेरी state of mind क्या होती? I would have been maybe excited, more calmer, happy, yeah, and just gone about doing things with a different context. That's number one. So how are you representing things to yourself? Now, having said that, another thing that you need to really look at is what are you focusing on? तो अगर मैं यही फोकस कर रही हूँ क्या नहीं हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, that's what's going to happen then. Okay, ये नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा है. Yeah, but if I can look at what's working, oh, finally, her ballet class is starting today. Wow, it's so amazing. She is going to have, a place to go to which she really enjoys. It's been difficult for her staying locked up at home, no schools, and she's been looking forward to this. And I will also have those 2 hours to myself. So focusing on that versus focusing on oh God, there's so much to be done and we are late and how are we going to make it in time? And they just don't understand. Oh, the breakfast is also pending and this. If I only look at what's not working, then that will impact my state of mind, right? So I choose what to focus on, right? Now, ये करें कैसे? उस मोमेंट में अपने आप को, जो भी कुछ हो रहा है उसको मैं अपने आप के लिए कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करूं और किस पर फोकस करूं, बिकॉज आपका ब्रेन आपको सबकॉन्शियसली उस सब के टुवर्ड्स ले जाएगा, क्या वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, इट विल क्रिएट दैट मेस. सो दैट्स वेयर यू नीड टू बिल्ड द मसल. रुक कर, पॉज करके रिफ्लेक्ट करना और फिर चूज करना इज अ मसल दैट यू बिल्ड. इट नीड्स प्रैक्टिस, क्योंकि एक बार करोगे, दूसरी बार, तीसरी बार फिर वहीं पहुंच जाओगे जब सारा मेस हो गया, सब कुछ उथल पुथल हो गया, एंड देन यू रियलाइज, ओ गॉड, व्हाट वाज माय स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, oh, I couldn't do anything about it. Yeah, so it's doing it every day, consistently, again and again, repeatedly. जैसे किसी भी चीज़ की हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ताकि उसमें हम मसल बिल्ड करें, so that it becomes a habit. तो पॉज करके ये देखना कि ओके, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, व्हाट्स माय स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, डू आई वांट दिस स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, राइट, डू आई वांट टू बी लाइक दिस, इज इट सर्विंग ऑल ऑफ अस, it's a habit. I'm still working on it, and this was one of the incidents which happened after a long time, but yet it reminded me that it's human, it's okay. It's only about again pulling yourself back. Okay, how can I look at it differently? What else can I do? Right? तो कैसे उस चीज को अपने अंदर रिप्रेजेंट करूं, क्या मीनिंग दूं उसको, क्या भाषा बोलूं, so that it is forwarding. And secondly, I choose what I want to focus on, क्योंकि आपकी सारी एनर्जी वहाँ चली जाएगी. One tool that works really well, which is handy and I think you must practice if you're not doing it, उस moment में pause and you need to just break that pattern. जो thought, chain of thoughts चले जा रहा है ना, उसको break करना ज़रूरी है. वो कर दिया तो वो लिंक टूट जाएगा, तो आपको टाइम मिल जाएगा वो चॉइस बदलने का या चॉइस करने का. तो वो ब्रेक कैसे करें? पॉज एंड स्लो डाउन योर ब्रीदिंग. ब्रीथ फ्रॉम योर स्टमक. टेक 5 deep breaths. For me, it works beautifully. There is no chance that when you deep breathe, you will not change your state of mind, because everything slows down. Your brain is racing. ये नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, ऐसा नहीं वर्क कर रहा, वो नहीं कर रहा, कैसे होगा, कब होगा, and then it just slows down. When you take those 5 deep breaths, it slows down, and when it slows down, then you can think of what to focus on. You can think of what else do I want to do. Okay, is this that I'm thinking the reality? These are just my thoughts, and I can choose what to think, which thought to entertain. तो जो इंस्टेंटली चीज बदल सकती है वो है आपकी ब्रेथ. अब आप कितनी भी जल्दबाजी में हो, आई वुड स्टिल से पॉज एंड टेक दोस डीप ब्रेथ्स, टेक दोस 5 deep breaths, and the moment you will do that, you will see you returning to a point where you can then make a choice कि मुझे अब क्या करना है और कैसे अपनी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड को ऑल्टर करना है. It's like shaking yourself out of the subconscious, shaking yourself out of just flowing away, that which is not serving you, and getting back to reality. Oh, okay, this is not what it is. It's just one event. She woke up late. अब उसके साथ मैंने क्या 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 मीनिंग जोड़ दिए. She takes me for granted. I have to run. Doesn't happen. Hey. So I am the creator and I am the solution. Yeah. So I hope you got this. If you want to change your state of mind in that moment where you're all messed up, then just pause, take those 5 deep breaths, and you are good to go. And then once you are a little stable, look at how you are representing that which is happening to yourself and change that. Change what you're focusing on. और वो बार बार करने से, प्रैक्टिस करने से होगा. Yeah. I hope you got it. Hit the like button if you found this meaningful. Apply this And yes, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.